Hi guys, welcome back to another video with Rhoda Munjo. Today we'll be making a lip balm. It's very basic, very easy to make. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, share with friends, and hit that notification bell. So today we'll be using 5 main ingredients, which are beeswax, shea butter, olive oil, fragrance oil, and vitamin E. Beeswax helps to keep our lip balm together, makes it hard. So for this recipe, if you want a looser consistency, that's a softer consistency for your lip balm, then I will advise that you use a 1/4 teaspoon of beeswax or any amount that is less than half a teaspoon. Just so you know, I bought all these ingredients at the chemical store in my area. You can also find them easily on Amazon. So make sure to watch right till the end, and don't forget to let me know in the comment what you think about this video.